Welcome everybody. So who doesn't love Southwestern style food? I don't know, but we sure do like it here. So I'm going to do something a little different in our Ninja Combi tonight. We're actually going to use the Combi for what it does, combination meal. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do, but I'm starting this about 6 hours early because we need to marinate something. Check it out. What we've got here are 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. My probably favorite piece of the chicken. Bone-in, skin-on. They are completely 100% thawed. We're going to marinate these in Claude's authentic fajita marinade. Now, I don't know who Claude is, but I do like fajita sauce. So we're going to use that to create our Southwestern flavor. And we'll be doing some rice with corn on the bottom while we're baking our marinated chicken thighs on top. We're going to do that at the same time in the Combi using one of the Combi features. Let's get this thing marinated. All right, marinade is pretty simple. I got a freezer style bag. I like these. They have the good zippers on them and they're heavy duty. And I'm going to take old Claude here, which I have shaken the heck out of so it's well mixed. And we're just going to pour it in. That's right, all of it. Empty bottle. Put everything in there. We want it super marinated. And already you can see the seasonings. Just look at the top of that piece of chicken. This thing is going to be some kind of good, guys. All right. I don't mind if there's a little air left in this bag. We're not going to sous vide this one. But we are going to get a clean plate to put this on the fridge in case this bag decides to leak. Because that would be one heck of a mess. So, just take those chickens, kind of smash them down into the marinade. Just keep everything on the platter to avoid any leakage. And every hour or so, I will be going in and flipping this around, just flipping it over in the refrigerator. Let's get ready to Combi cook. In the Combi pan, we're gonna add 1 cup of Jasmine rice. Use any kind you want. I have Jasmine on hand, so Jasmine it is. Jasmine rice is 1 to 2 ratio. This is 2 cups of water. But I'm going to add an extra half a cup. This is an extra half a cup of water. The chicken, which is going to be cooking at the same time as the rice, is probably going to take a little longer than the rice takes to cook. So I don't want that to run out of liquid and dry out. And also, I'll be adding corn to the rice. This is a Southwestern dish that we're making tonight. This is a steam bag, so it's just frozen sweet corn kernels. I'm not going to add the whole thing, but I want a little corn mixed in with my rice. That's probably more than enough. All right. Don't really think we need to do any stirring, so we're going to set that aside and get the next thing ready. This is a big old heavy pan that comes with your Ninja Combi. And there's that chicken. I've been marinating. I've been switching it around every hour, flopping it over, like so. So this is well marinated. Let's get this chicken onto this chicken. Skin on. Original Pam canola oil blend. This is the only one that I use in any devices. Normally I don't spray anything, but the skin on and this marinade, it may stick. So I don't want any kind of sticking going on. Wow, you guys should smell the smell I smell in this house. We are one big fajita party in here. It smells like fajitas. That was the marinade I chose. All right, let's get to the Combi. All right, for this one, your lever on the top needs to be in the up position. If you were down for the stovetop method, flip it up for the Combi stuff. Power on. Scroll down to Combi Meals, which is your very first choice. Okay, set your temperature. We want 350. And set your time. I want 25 minutes. Okay, I can't hit start because it's going to tell me to add the pot for the preheat. So we will add the pot. And start. All right, so we're going to let it preheat, and then we're going to pop our chicken in. And there it goes. Timer has started. I'm going to go ahead and pop the chicken in. And you can see on the bottom that everything is boiling down there. Now that the Combi Meal process has started, I can already hear the fan on the top. So we're going to have some cooking from the element on top. We're going to have some steaming from the bottom. It's sort of like a steam and crisp. They just call it a Combi Meal. Very similar to the Ninja Speedy, which has a very similar function on it. I've used it quite a bit. So I think this is going to work out really nice. Let's get in there and check things out, guys. Sometimes you don't know unless you get in and look. All right, I got liquid in the rice still. It's looking good in there. And my top of my chicken is crispy, so I'm going to grab my silicone gloves and we're going to pull that rack out and flip these chickens over real quick. Anyway, I'm sorry if I'm blocking the camera, but I got to get in here. So let's roll. Roll, roll, roll. I think the fattest one is right up front here, so we're gonna probe him right there real quick. And I'm gonna try to do this with the glove on. I don't care if I hit the bone. Wow, we're already 166, 151. 145. Okay, I see something I'd like to do then. And that's rotate this rack. So we gotta be careful because I got a lot of juices and crazy stuff going on everywhere, and I really don't want to spill and make a mess. All right, rack is rotated. The rice is not ready yet. All right, guys, we got 5 minutes to go. It's starting to smell like something might be burning a little bit, so we're gonna get in there and take a look. Are we recording? We are. So let's open her up and see what's happening. I got a feeling we're getting a little too close to that element. Actually, nothing is burning. It's just a very strong smell. So let's go ahead and get a quick probe in there. Just probably one of them here. See where we're at. That one is ready to eat. That one is ready to eat. And that one is ready to eat. I'm pulling the chicken and then we're going to check the rice underneath. I think that rice is ready. All right, well, here's what we're looking like. Just brought them right out of the Combi. Chicken looks beautiful with that crispy skin. Really dark color from the marinade. Over here, we got nice fluffy white rice with some sweet corn in it. I'm going to put this together on a plate for you, and we're going to give it a try. Sample that chicken, the piece I just cut for you with the crispy skin. Soft and juicy inside. Here we go. That marinade is good. Chicken is perfect. 20 minutes. Perfect. That marinade is good. That was Claude's fajita sauce. Claude's fajita sauce. Check out the beginning of the video. I showed it on at the beginning. Let's go for that rice right now with a little bit of corn in it. Now, I'm a big fan of Jasmine rice, and I use it for just about everything, even Mexican food. Perfect. Soft, fluffy. The rice is great. The chicken is great. The corn is great. I think we did it, guys. I think we've done it. We have used Combi Crisp. No, we have used Combi Meal in the Ninja Combi to make a Combi Meal. Chicken and rice. Fantastic. This Combi, you know, I doubted it at first, I'll be honest with you. But now I've been using it a lot. Yeah, this is the thing. This is the device that I've been looking for. This is the big, it's like a 4 times size Speedy is what it really is. With a beautiful front door on it. Big, deep pan for cooking stuff in. You got to get one of these. Get that Ninja Combi, guys. Get that Ninja Combi. It is amazing. It will take front and center on your counter in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget, memberships are live. You can hit that join button there right under the video. Link in the description. But as usual, you can just follow me by using the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Leave some comments. What else? Share the video. That's something cool you can do. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.